I am
Yes,
from Sudan.
from Sudan.
Um, yeah, uh,
Okay, good.
I
So,
am
how old are you?
okay.
How old are you, sir?
I'm 28 year old.
20, sorry?
28 year old.
28 years old. Okay, 28
Yeah.
years old. Okay, that's yeah, different 1 year with me. Yeah, I am 29 years old. Okay, you from
Nice to
Sudan.
meet you.
Okay, so
Yeah.
welcome, sir. Welcome in this conversation class. Okay, so we meet other participants from other countries also. Yeah, so we
Yeah.
will discuss with them. We will speak with them, yeah, so we can improve our English also.
Mm. Excuse
Okay,
me. What's your
yes.
name, please?
I am sorry.
Your name, please.
My name is Bukhari Mustafa. I am from Indonesia, from East Java, Indonesia.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
Nice,
I'm.
nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too, sir. I'm 29 years old. Okay, I
Okay.
have friend also from Sudan. His name is Mr. Ibrahim Wadi Adam. Yeah,
Mr.
now,
Ibrahim.
yes, Mr. Ibrahim. Now he is
Hmm.
living in Jakarta, in South Jakarta, in Indonesia also. I met
Hmm.
him when I was in East Timor. When I was in East
Hmm.
Timor. Yeah, before I had been working in Sydney and Australia. Then I joined with Oxfam Australia. Then I've been in East Timor for 3 months in East Timor. Then I met Mr. Ibrahim Wadi Adam. Yeah, he was a good person. He was a good person also. Okay, Mr. Imi. Sorry, Mr. Imi, can you introduce yourself, please? Mr. Imi. Yeah, hello, Mr. Imi. Mr. Imi by Haki, sir. Mr. Imi, hello. Hello, sir. Okay, so we want to talk with Mr. Parvez Laskar. Hello, Mr. Parvez Laskar. Can you tell to us where
Hello,
are you from? Yes, please tell
I'm
us.
from India.
From India. Okay.
Hello,
Yes. How old are you, Mr. Parvez Laskar? How old are you?
25 years.
25 years old.
And you?
I'm 29. 29 years old.
Uh,
Okay, I see the photo, your snapshot. Actually, have you been married? So, have
yes,
you been married? Okay. So you have married already? Yes. So that's your wife, right? Okay.
wife name.
Yes, in your photo, you actually both person, uh, and one with the girls. I think that's the girl is your wife.
Yes, my wife.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, so please tell us in what city you are in India. In what city in India? Miss
Kolkata,
Kolkata, Kolkata, India. So, how far
West
from
Bengal, Indian West Bengal,
Western India?
Indian West Bengal.
Yes, yes, it's very big, India. And how far from New Delhi, your city? How far, probably, from New Delhi? Hello, sir. Your city, how far from New Delhi, in the capital of India? How far?
6 hours.
Okay, so probably how many kilometers?
Um,
Probably
I
far.
don't know about the distance.
Yes, the distance, yeah, but far, probably from New Delhi. Yes, that's far away. Okay, thank you, Mr. Parvez Laskar, to join with us in our English.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're welcome in our English conversation class. And we have Miss Tiska. Hello, Miss Tiska. Are you there? Hello, Miss Tiska.
Hello,
Yes, how are you, Miss Tiska?
I'm great, Mister. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, now we have other participants from other countries joined with us in our English learning. And for the local member, some of them busy at this time, so they cannot follow the class in today.
Okay.
Yes, so probably tomorrow they will join because some of them also work and some of them have some affair, have some necessary, so they cannot follow the class. Okay, Miss Jiska, please introduce to all members in this group, in this conversation class. Please introduce
Okay.
yourself. Yes.
I'm Diska. I am 19 years old and I am student. I live in Indonesia.
Yes. In what city, Miss Jiska?
Bogor.
Bogor, Indonesia. Okay. So where do you study, Miss Jiska? Where do you study?
I'm study in university.
In the university in Bogor, Indonesia. Okay. Thank you, Miss Jiska, for your introduction.
You're
So
welcome, Mister.
yes, I will ask to other members. Uh, Hello, Mr. Nur Islam. Hello, Mr. Nur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that was Miss Tiska introduction. Uh, okay, she is Indonesian and she lives in
Yes.
Bogor, Indonesia. Yeah, so do you want to ask something to her, Mr. Nur Islam?
Hello, Diska. I am from SK Muslim from India, and I am 25 years old. And I want to
Nice to
ask
meet
you,
you.
where are you from? Already I listened. You told that you are from Indonesia, and I want to know what's your profession.
Okay, Mr. Nur Islam. I am live at Bogor, Indonesia, and I am student at university.
Okay, okay. Which class do you study now?
I am in second semester.
Okay, second semester. Uh, Miss Diska, I wanna ask you. Please tell me something about COVID-19 at your location.
Mm, in my opinion, COVID-19 is serious pandemic, so I think we should mm,
Yes, you should. We should
How many
take
people
care.
affected due to this?
take care ourselves and stay at home.
Okay, okay. That's why nobody can go outside due to lockdown situation.
Yeah, Mister, I can hear you.
I want to say, due to COVID-19, you cannot go outside by something, and just stay at home safely.
Can you go outside, Miss Tiska, in this pandemics?
Sometimes I go outside because I have
Due to buy some essential things, maybe.
what?
Yes, because you want to buy something, right, Miss Tiska? You
Yeah,
go outside, yeah. Okay,
important things.
Important thing. Yes.
yes, good. Important things. Okay, so you live in Bogor. Yeah, Miss Diska live in Bogor, and she studies at the university. Yes, at the second semester. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Mr. Nur Islam, for the question.
Okay, sir, I want to say yesterday I could not attend this online class on Zoom application due to I have not the Zoom application link. So please tell me this is the class start every Monday to Saturday?
Yes, yes. Uh,
Okay. That's mean Indian time 2:30, right?
yes, yes, yes. Correct.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yes. 2:30 in India because we have time zone different 1.5 hours. One
Okay.
an hour
That's
and
mean
half an
Indonesia
hour.
time
Yeah,
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock in Indonesia. Yes, correct. In India, 2:30 in India. Okay,
Sir,
so
I think Parvez Laskar joined this today on Zoom class from India.
I'm sorry. How many
That's
persons?
mean
Yeah.
yes, Parvez Laskar that I
Yes.
see on my screen. He joined today from India. I mean same country.
Yes. Some country, Mr. Parvez from India also, from Kolkata,
Okay,
India.
that's mean
Yeah. Has
India
some
United States same country.
people from India. Yes. And which city are you in India, Mr. Nur? In what city you are living in India?
I am from Kolkata, sir. I live
Kolkata
in state
also.
Kolkata.
You're the same city with Mr. Parvez Laskar. So you meet in this class. Okay, you meet in this class to Mr. Parvez Laskar. So probably next time you also meet other people from some countries also. Probably from Pakistan and Afghanistan, and from Africa, yeah, from Tanzania, from Georgia, the country in the Europe, something like that probably in the
Sir, today
future.
I see more than 100 people join on our English group conversation group. So I am very happy today because more than 100 people join our English.
Yes, more now, yes, more than 100, yes, more than 100 people joined to the WhatsApp group. Okay, from many countries also, yeah, from many countries in the world, yeah, and also from
Sir, I want to
from
ask a
England.
question.
Yeah,
Say and tell both are meaning same, but when I use say and tell,
I am sorry.
sir, A-say-Y, that means say, and T-E-double-L, tell. Both of meaning same, both of what meaning same, but when I use say and when I use tell, what's the difference between say and tell?
Until is
No,
until.
sir, no, sir, I want to say what the difference between say and tell, say and tell, A-say-Y,
Okay,
and
yes,
different one
understood,
T-E-double-L,
understood.
tell.
Yes, say, yeah, say. That's Sam. If you want to express something or you want to give any information, you will say, yeah, I will say to you, or I will tell you, yeah, I will tell you something. Yeah, that's Sam. Also Sam actually, and say, yeah. Say just actually, yeah, also give the informations to other. Yes, give the informations to other. I say to you, yeah, I tell you. That's same meaning, sir. I tell you, I say you, I say to you. That's
That means I can use any of what?
You can use tell is okay. That's will call it. Yeah, yeah, I tell you. Yeah, and that's will call it actually. If you tell, yeah, if you use tell, yeah, that's will call it. And say it's generally people use. Yeah, many people use say. I say you. I have said to you yesterday. Yeah. I told you. Yeah, tell become told, and then said. Say become said like that. I said to you yesterday. Then I told you yesterday. Yeah, told the written is TOLD. Yeah, told, tell, told like that. Okay. So do you understand about that, Mr. Nur Islam? Do you understand?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sir. I understand.
Okay. Okay. So one person again, Mr. Parvez Laskar. Do you want to ask something to Mr. Nur? Because
Yes, yes.
he also live in the same city with you. He lives in Kolkata.
Yes.
Yes. So do you want to ask something to Mr. Nur? Mr. Parvez Laskar, please open your speaker. Yeah, you can ask to Mr. Nur Islam. Hello, Mr. Parvez. Can you hear my voice? Mr. Parvez Laskar. Hello. Probably yes. Mr. Parvez, you can open your speaker. You can unmute your speaker, please. Okay. Okay, probably later I will ask again to Mr. Parvez Laskar. We have one person again, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. Hello. Yes, Mr. Safi, are you there? Can you hear my
Hello,
voice?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes, please tell us where are you from? Please tell us where are you from, sir?
I'm from Afghanistan.
From Afghanistan. Okay, Mr. Yes, and welcome to join in our English conversation class. Okay, welcome in this class, Mr. Wafiullah Safi from Afghanistan. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Nur, do you want to ask something to Mr. Wafiullah Safi? He is in Afghanistan now. Yes, Mr. Nur, do you want to ask to him?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, please.
Hello, Friullah Safi. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. I am audible.
Okay. Please introduce yourself first, Mr. Nur. You can introduce yourself to Mr. Safi.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi Safiullah Safi. I am Nur Islam. I am from India and also I am 25 years old. I am an employee of private company as a computer operator. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Safi, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. Can you hear his voice?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, please. Okay. Mr. Noor from India. Yeah, he is 25 years old.
Okay.
Yes, he works in the private
Okay.
company. Yes, as
Mm.
yes, a computer operator. As a computer operator.
Yes.
So, do you want to ask something to him, to Mr. Noor, Mr. Wafiullah Safi? Do you want to ask to Mr. Noor?
Yes, I want to ask you, Afiullah, where are you from? Already you told that you are from Afghanistan, but which city and which state belong from you?
And I'm from Afghanistan in Nangarhar City, province, Jalalabad city.
Okay, how old are you?
16.
16. Okay, I
Yeah.
think you are a student.
So a student in the school student.
Okay, okay, school student.
Yes.
Yeah.
How long distance between your home and school?
What?
Oh,
Say
yes.
distance between your home and your school. I mean your house and your school. How long distance?
Yes. How far, sir? Your school and your homes. As how far your school
Okay,
and your
Our
home? Yeah.
our our school is near to our home.
Okay. So are you in? Yes,
I
please.
think due to COVID-19, your school now closed, still closed due to coronavirus at your country. Am I right?
Yeah, our school is closing this day for coronavirus.
Okay, okay. How many people infected due to this COVID-19 at your country? And how many people recovered and how many people dead of this virus?
What?
Yes, Mr. Nur Islam asks to you, Mr. Safi, how many people infected coronavirus in Afghanistan, and how many
Yeah, yeah.
people recover from the coronavirus in Afghanistan? He asks to you like that.
So okay, so 1,700 people have corona in Afghanistan.
Okay. 1700, so 1700 people got the corona in Afghanistan. And how many death toll? How many people dead from coronavirus?
Uh, 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 how many?
Yes, how many people dead from coronavirus?
From coronavirus?
Yes, yes, from corona. Yeah, I think yes. I think many people dead because yesterday we had the person also from Afghanistan. We had the participants from Afghanistan, and he said about 200 something, yeah, people dead from coronavirus in
Yes.
Afghanistan. Around 200, 219 probably. Yeah, something like that. Okay.
Afiullah, do you can read Quran, Al Quran?
Yeah, I always read Quran after morning, after prayer morning.
Okay, okay. I requested you please pray 5 time namaz. That's mandatory for Islamic people.
What?
I wanna say every day pray 5 time namaz. That's mandatory for all Muslim.
Namas is a solah probably, or a prayer like a subuh, zuhur like that, and a maghrib.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's
Oh, that's the
five
name.
time.
Namas. Namas is a name, right? Namas or a salat is a prayer. Namas. Oh, that's the
Yeah, yeah,
Indian's language. Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Arabic mean namaz of salah.
Salah.
Salat.
Yeah. Yes. Can you mention Mr. Safi 5 times salah for Muslim?
I
Yeah.
don't understand. Sorry. The question. I cannot get the question.
Yeah, Mr. Nur asks to you about your daily prayers, daily prayers from subuh until Isha like that. For every Muslim, the 5 daily prayers. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Five def.
yes,
Yes.
yeah. He asks to you like that, sir. Yeah. So can you say, what are the daily prayers for every Muslim? What are of them? Can you say that?
For every,
Yeah.
for every Muslim, five time uh, prayer every day.
Yes. Okay. So that will be long probably. It's a tag time. Okay. Okay. So I will ask to the one person again. So we will discuss the material after that. Yeah. I will ask to Miss Tiska. Hello, Miss Tiska. This is one
Hello.
person from Indonesia, Mr. Safi. Yeah. Miss Tiska, we have one participant again, one member from Afghanistan, and his name is Mr. Wafiullah Safi. Okay, so now, Miss Tiska, please you introduce yourself to Mr. Wafiullah Safi, so you can ask to each other. Okay, please, Miss Tiska.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. I am Diska Riasti from Indonesia. I'm 19 years old. I am student at university. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes. Between you and her, just different 3 years. You are 16 years old and she is 19 years old. Okay, so are you study at the junior high school or senior high school, Mr. Wafiul Safi? In senior high school or junior? Are you study at a
Highest
yeah, high school or junior, senior or junior like that?
Istiqlal.
Yes. Probably junior high school. Are you in?
Yeah,
Okay, what grade? At the third grade, the third grade or the second grade in junior high school? Because we don't know about the education system in Afghanistan. If in Indonesia we have primary school, that's
yeah,
yeah 6 years for primary school, then 3 years for junior high school, and after that 3 years for senior high school like that.
yes, sir. There is
Okay.
a government school in private school. Private school in sixth year and after that government school. And I am in the government school in 10th class.
Okay. Okay. So the schooling system probably little bit different. Probably in Afghanistan use the Islamic education system probably. So yeah, the primary school for how long actually, Mr. Wafiul Safi, for the primary school in Afghanistan? In Indonesia, primary school for 6 years, but I don't know in Afghanistan.
In Afghanistan, private school is for we have a lot different private schools. Some private school is for 6 year.
6 years. Then how long for junior high school? How long?
The private school is are not for all of our people.
Okay, that's a different with a private school, sekolah swasta and government school, sekolah negeri. Okay, that's a different. So, are you school at the private school, Mr.
Government school.
Government
Government.
school? Yes, I asked you for the government school of junior high school. That's how long for junior high school? Sorry, for junior, yes, high school. That's for how long in your country? If it in Indonesia for 3 years, but how long in your country, Mr. Safi?
Uh, go- Government school.
Yes, yes, especially for junior high school.
It's for 3 years, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, also for 3 years. Then okay, that's also same with Indonesia. Then after that, then 10, 11, 12. That's a junior high
Yeah,
school. Yeah, that's the system same in Indonesia. And after that, they can go to the university after they graduate
university.
from, yes, senior high school at the third grade. Okay. And Miss Diska studies at the university. Yeah, she is 19 years old. So different, 3 years different. Yeah, you are 16
Yes,
years old. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Wafiullah Safi.
thank
Uh,
you.
yes, I need to know you actually, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. So because your voice is, you have adult voice. Your voice like a adult person, but you are still 16. Can you open your video, please? Do you actually, yeah? Can you open the
Yes,
video? Yes. Okay, you're good. Yes, you are still young, yeah, but look like adult person. Yeah, from your voice like a adult. Yeah, you are young actually, a young person. Yeah, in 16 years old. Yeah, but normally
Thanks.
people in Afghanistan they have birds. Sorry, jenggot. They have birds like that. Yeah, different with Indonesian people in Indonesia for especially for Indonesian people for men. Yeah, they some of them yeah don't have birds. Yeah, nggak punya jenggot. Don't have birds. Yeah, they don't have birds like that. Yeah. But
So,
yeah, mostly people in Afghanistan or the Islamic countries or the Muslims countries, they have
yeah.
birth. Yeah, that's good. Even they are still young. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, do you want to ask to Miss Diska, Mr. Wafiullah Safi? Do you want to ask to Miss Diska? Do you want to ask something to Miss Diska, or you don't have any question to Miss Diska? Hello, Mr. Wafiullah Safi.
I don't have any questions.
You don't have any question. Okay, thank you, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. So, Miss Diska, do you want to ask
Thank
something
you.
to Mr. Wafiullah Safi? Do you want to ask to him, Miss Diska?
Mr. Safi, I want to ask you,
Ah,
Yes,
how
please.
about your study in school when COVID-19 pandemic?
Okay, Mr. Safi, please tell to us.
I,
Yeah.
uh, I don't understand what she told me.
Yes. What is your study progress in this pandemics of COVID-19? So she asked to you, are you actually going to the school like that? Do you go to the school or do you just stay at home and do anything online like learning by online like that? You can tell to us.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Uh, we are of stay at home, and some people, some teacher teaching in TV in government school. In we all have stay at home,
Okay.
study in home school.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So stay at home, Miss Tiska. Hello, Miss
Yes.
Tiska.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Wafi said that he just stay at home and learning from TV. The governments conducted the learning from the TV. Yeah, I think that's same with Indonesia, right, Miss Tiska? Indonesia
Yeah,
also have the
same.
yes method like that. Yeah, for the student at school, the government provide the education from the TV. Yeah, so every
Yeah.
student can yes can learning can study from the television. Yeah, and the government broadcast the lesson from the TV, menyiarkan broadcast, something like that. Okay, understand, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. Thank you for your explain to Miss Diska. And yeah, okay, and have a nice day, Mr. Wafiullah Safi. Okay, actually for this learning, yes, we will discuss about the trending topic that happened a few days ago in America. Yes, the trending topic, and that was happened a few days ago in America, and that was the George Floyd killed by the police officer. Yeah, so that sparked the demonstrations. Yes, sparked the big problem. Yes, sparkling, memicu. Yeah. That's sparkling the big problem. Sparkling the big problem in the U.S. and around or across the US nations being problem at this time. So many people demonstrated, yeah, for George Floyd death. Yeah. So that was really concerning. So we're talking about this in this learning. Okay, so what is your opinion? I will ask the opinion first. Actually, I have shared the material on the WhatsApp group, but okay, you can see that, it's okay, or just telling by speaking. Yes, that will be nice also, because I have shared the video also. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Nur, what is your opinion about this case, Mr. Nur? Have you seen the video or the television about this news? Okay, I will let you know that this Zoom will automatically off in 1 minute, yeah, because I haven't updated Zoom yet. So every 40 minutes it's off. So when it's off already, you can start again. You can join again to the class. Okay, is that okay? Okay, Mr. Nur, please tell to me about your opinion. Mr. Nur Islam, hello.
Hello.
Yes, yeah. How about your opinion of this case, Mr. Nur Islam? We will talking about the trending topic. Okay, I will. Hello, Miss Diska. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, so can you hear my voice, Miss Tiska?
Yeah, I can hear your voice.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tiska. Okay, so have you watched the television, Miss Tiska, about this case in the US, in America, about
Uh,
this problem? Yes.
I'm not yet see the video, but I just read the blog.
Okay. So do you understand about that problem in America, Miss Tiska?
I think the citizen confused about their choice. Mm,
Yes.
Want to stay at home or follow the for government.
No, that's the George Floyd. Uh, have you seen the news about the George Floyd? So that's
Oh,
sparkling the demonstration in America. Yes, George Floyd. So in America now, many people demonstrate. Many demonstrates people across America, seluruh Amerika, across America, ya, even in New York, in Washington D.C., in Houston, Texas, and in many city in America, many people demonstrating for George Floyd death, kematian George Floyd. And you can see the video, Miss Tiska, in the WhatsApp group at later. So in this class, we will discuss this first. We'll discuss by this conversation. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Nur Islam. Mr. Nur Islam, hello.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Yes. Have you seen the news? Have you read the news, Mr. Nur Islam, about this problem in America for the George Floyd death? George Floyd death and killed by the officer of the police. So, have you watched the news from the television or from the video, something like that?
No, sir, I could not read the news and I not seen the story.
Hmm. Okay. So
Okay,
let
I will read and I will share my opinion about the story.
Okay, okay. Okay, I have sent the link in WhatsApp group. I have sent the link. Yeah, you can click the link, and Miss Tiska also. You can click the link, Miss Tiska, in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, and you will see about the news. And Mr. Wafiullah Safi, you can also click the link in the WhatsApp group, or I will share it
Yes,
back.
sir.
Yeah, I will send the link again. Okay, so you can click by the link. So you can click the link. Okay, please be wait. I will share. Okay, okay. So you can click the link, and Miss Tiska, you can see the link in the WhatsApp group, Miss Tiska. And you see the link. The Trump has reached the Mad Emperor stage, and it's terrifying to behold. And you just click the link. Probably this is the trend topic. Okay, see first. See what's the news first. Okay, open the link and read. And this is was trending on 2 days ago. Was trending. And from yesterday, were many people demonstrating across America because this problem. Okay, this is the fourth paragraph, paragraph 4. And I will share the video also in the WhatsApp group. I think it will much there. And Miss Tiska, you can see the video on the WhatsApp group, Miss Tiska. You can see that in few minutes. Then I will ask to you what that's happened. The video will really help you. It's just few minutes. You can watch the video. Miss Tiska, are you here? Are you hearing my voice? Can you hear my voice,
Yeah.
Miss Tiska? Yes.
I hear you, Mr.
Yes. Okay. Miss Tiska, please watch the video in the WhatsApp group for a few minutes.
Already, Mr.
Yes. So you are watching now. Are you watching
Yeah.
now? Okay. Please watch first until few minutes. And some of participants also. Please watch the video. This is how the video is playing.
It's a Monday evening in Minneapolis. Police respond to a call about a man who allegedly used a counterfeit $20 bill to buy cigarettes. 17 minutes later, the man they are there to investigate lies motionless on the ground and is pronounced dead shortly after. The man was 46-year-old George Floyd, a bouncer originally from Houston who'd lost his job at a restaurant when the coronavirus pandemic hit. Floyd's death triggered major protests in Minneapolis and sparked rage across the country. 4 officers have been fired and put under investigation. One of them, Derek Chauvin, has been arrested and charged with murder and manslaughter. The Times analyzed bystander videos, security camera footage, and police scanner audio, spoke to witnesses and experts, and reviewed documents released by the authorities to build as comprehensive a picture as possible and better understand how George Floyd died in police custody. The events of May 25th begin here. Floyd is sitting in the driver's seat of this blue SUV. Across the street is a convenience store called Cup Foods. Footage from this restaurant's security camera helps us understand what happens next. Note that the timestamp on the camera is 24 minutes fast. At 7:57 p.m., 2 employees from Cup Foods confront Floyd and his companions about an alleged counterfeit bill he just used in their store to buy cigarettes. They demand the cigarettes back, but walk away empty-handed. 4 minutes later, they call the police. According to the 911 transcript, an employee says that Floyd used fake bills to buy cigarettes and that he is awfully drunk and not in control of himself. Soon, the first police vehicle arrives on the scene. Officers Thomas Lane and J. Alexander Koenig step out of the car and approach the blue SUV. Seconds later, Lane pulls his gun, we don't know exactly why, and orders Floyd to put his hands on the wheel. Lane reholsters the gun, and after about 90 seconds of back and forth, yanks Floyd out of the SUV. A man is filming the confrontation from a car parked behind them. The officers cuff Floyd's hands behind his back, and Koenig walks him to the restaurant wall.
All right, what's your name?
From the 911 transcript and the footage, we now know 3 important facts. First, that the police believed they were responding to a man who was drunk and out of control. But second, even though the police were expecting this situation, we can see that Floyd has not acted violently. And third, that he seems to already be in distress. 6 minutes into the arrest, the 2 officers move Floyd back to their vehicle. As the officers approach their car, we can see Floyd fall to the ground. According to the criminal complaint filed against Chauvin, the officer who's later arrested, Floyd says he is claustrophobic and refuses to enter the police car. During the struggle, Floyd appears to turn his head to address the officers multiple times. According to the complaint, he tells them he can't breathe. 9 minutes into the arrest, the 3rd and final police car arrives on the scene. It's carrying officers Tu Tao and Derek Chauvin. Both have previous records of complaints brought against them. Tao was once sued for throwing a man to the ground and hitting him. Chauvin has been involved in 3 police shootings, one of them fatal. Chauvin becomes involved in the struggle to get Floyd into the car. Security camera footage from Cup Foods shows Koenig struggling with Floyd in the back seat while Tao watches. Chauvin pulls him through the back seat and onto the street. We don't know why. Floyd is now lying on the pavement, face down. That's when 2 witnesses begin filming, almost simultaneously. The footage from the first witness shows us that all 4 officers are now gathered around Floyd. It's the first moment when we can clearly see that Floyd is face down on the ground, with 3 officers applying pressure to his neck, torso, and legs. At 8:20 p.m., we hear Floyd's voice for the first time. The video stops when Lane appears to tell the person filming to walk away. The officers radio a code 2, a call for non-emergency medical assistance, reporting an injury to Floyd's mouth. In the background, we can hear Floyd struggling. The call is quickly upgraded to a code 3, a call for emergency medical assistance. By now, another bystander, 17-year-old Darnella Frazier, is filming from a different angle. Her footage shows that despite calls for medical help, Chauvin keeps Floyd pinned down for another 7 minutes. We can't see whether Koenig and Lane are still applying pressure.
What do you want? I can breathe. Please, the knee in my neck. I can't breathe shit.
Bro, get up, get in the car, man.
I will.
Get up, get in the car.
I can't move.
I've been waiting the whole time. Get up, get in the car.
Mama.
Get up and get in the car right.
I can't.
In the 2 videos, Floyd can be heard telling officers that he can't breathe at least 16 times in less than 5 minutes.
I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe.
But Chauvin never takes his knee off of Floyd, even as his eyes close and he appears to go unconscious.
Look at him. Get off of him now. What is wrong with y'all? What the fuck? He got made. He got made.
According to medical and policing experts, these 4 police officers are committing a series of actions that violate policies and in this case turn fatal. They've kept Floyd lying face down, applying pressure for at least 5 minutes. This combined action is likely compressing his chest and making it impossible to breathe. Chauvin is pushing his knee into Floyd's neck, a move banned by most police departments.
Bro, he's not moving.
No, do they kill him, bro?
Minneapolis Police Department policy states an officer can only do this if someone is, quote, actively resisting. And even though the officers call for medical assistance, they take no action to treat Floyd on their own while waiting for the ambulance to arrive.
You think that's okay? Check his pulse. Check his pulse. Check his pulse. Check. The man ain't moved yet, bro.
According to the complaint against Chauvin, Lane asks him twice if they should roll Floyd onto his side. Chauvin says no. 20 minutes into the arrest, an ambulance arrives on the scene.
Get off of his neck.
The EMTs check Floyd's pulse.
Are you serious?
Chauvin keeps his knee on Floyd's neck for almost another whole minute, even though Floyd appears completely unresponsive. He only gets off once the EMTs tell him to. Chauvins kept his knee on Floyd's neck for a total of 8 minutes and 46 seconds, according to the complaint filed against him. Floyd is loaded into the ambulance.
Okay. Okay, Miss Diska. Hello, Miss Diska. Hello, Miss Diska.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, so have you seen the video? Have you watched the video, Miss Diska?
Yeah, Mister, but any vocabulary I can understand.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will explain. Yeah. So, what actually do you understand about what point is that? What is the main point? Do you understand about yes the conclusion?
Yeah, I'm understood.
Yes. So about what? Please tell to me.
George Floyd, the police, gimana ya? Menekan kakinya di leher.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Knaying. Yeah. On the George Floyd necks. Di atasnya George Floyd's necks. Lehernya George Floyd. Yes. And
George Floyd say he can breathe.
yes, he George Floyd say cannot breathe. Yeah. Cannot breathing at that time. Yeah, breathing bernapas. Yeah, can breathing at that time.
And but the police don't listen him.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Good.
So he is dead.
Yeah, that's good. So from his death, it's sparkling the demonstrations. Dari kematiannya memicu demonstration around America. Because about ras, ya suku, ya ras, warna kulit hitam. Because the black skin killed, ya karena kulit hitam terbunuh. Ya polisi yang membunuhnya itu adalah kulit putih gitu kan. Seperti itu. Yeah, something like that. Okay, good. Yeah, so that time actually the George Floyd arrested, ya, ditangkap ya in the Minneapolis, ya, in near the cup food. Cup food itu makanan yang di cup, ya di wadah, itu seperti popcorn seperti itu kan, ya, itu adalah cup food. Ya, something like that ya. Near the cup food in Minneapolis in the evening, ya di waktu senja, something like that. Tapi kalau di Amerika waktu senja itu masih terang ya, itu padahal udah jam 8 lebih ya kan, jam 8 lewat gitu. Tapi masih terang. Yes. Masih kelihatan seperti maghrib gitu waktu senjanya. Something like that. Nah, waktu itu George Floyd itu dia membeli rokok pakai uang palsu. Ya, singkatnya itu George Floyd membeli rokok pakai uang palsu. Nah, George Floyd ini kehilangan pekerjaan semenjak pandemic ya COVID-19 ini merebah di Amerika. Ya, sebelumnya dia itu kerja di restoran, ya di sebuah restoran. Ya, tapi karena pandemic ini di Amerika merebah, ya semakin bergejolak pandemic COVID ini, sehingga banyak restoran ditutup. Nah, sehingga George Floyd ini stres, ya dia nggak ada kerjaan, ya akhirnya nggak ada kerjaan, ya dia bingung, akhirnya dia kerjaannya cuma mabuk-mabukan, ya terus ya seperti itu, dia stres karena tekanan. Ya kemudian dia itu pas waktu itu dia itu belanja di salah satu tempat perbelanjaan di Cup Foods itu, dia membeli rokok dengan uang palsu. Nah, kemudian dia masuk ke mobilnya, dia minum di mobil itu. Kemudian yang pedagang rokok itu tahu kalau uang yang dibelanjakan George Floyd itu uang palsu, akhirnya disamperin George Floyd itu kan, disamperin 2 orang kan di mobil SUV tadi.
Iya,
Ya,
itu.
di mobil SUV biru itu dijumpai 2 orang. Nah, kemudian 2 orang ini minta uangnya. Lah, yang kamu pakai kok uang palsu tadi, ini saya minta uang rokoknya, ya uang beli rokok kamu tadi, gitu dituntut. Tapi George Floyd karena dia lagi over, mabuknya lagi over ya, jadi hangover tuh mabuk yang berlebihan ya, ibaratnya udah nggak sadar gitu, jadinya ya nggak direspon ya. Akhirnya 2 orang tadi lapor ke polisi setelah 4 menit kemudian ya. 4 menit kemudian 2 orang yang di toko tadi itu melapor ke 911 ya, lapor ke polisi. Nah, jarak beberapa menit polisi langsung datang langsung menuju ke mobil SUV biru itu. Kemudian polisi ini langsung mengeluarkan senjata, suruh George Floyd itu keluar dari mobilnya. Ya, tetapi kenapa dia harus mengeluarkan senjata gitu kan? Dari pertanyaannya seperti itu, kita nggak tahu kenapa kok polisi itu harus mengeluarkan senjata. Terus akhirnya George Floyd keluar, tapi terjadi konfrontasi di situ, terjadi perlawanan. Ya, pertamanya George Floyd ini melawan petugas gitu. Akhirnya George Floyd ditarik ya, kemudian diborgol tangannya, kemudian ditanya namamu siapa, ya, kamu tinggal di mana. Tapi dia lagi mabuk berat. Nah, setelah jarak berapa menit di situ, ya kan, setelah jarak berapa menit di trotoar itu, akhirnya polisi meninggalkan George Floyd. Dan George Floyd itu disuruh masuk ke mobil, dia ini nggak kuat, dia akhirnya jatuh tersungkur di tanah di trotoar ya, tersungkur di trotoar gitu. Nah, akhirnya polisi yang satu datang ya itu yang polisi itu 2 orang itu yang sudah bermasalah tadi. Yang satu dibilangnya yang wajahnya kayak orang Jepang tadi, yang satu yang gundul ya, itu sudah berapa kali dia tertangkap kasus brutal ya, di situ dibilangnya brutal lawsuit ya, artinya gugatan brutal, polisinya keras ya, sudah berapa kali dia digugat kekerasan ya. Yang satunya itu dia juga itu yang polisi yang satunya itu dia juga juga bermasalah juga, udah ada 17 komplain ya, mengenai kekerasan dan lain sebagainya. Nah, kok ternyata ditangani sama 2 orang polisi itu. Nah, akhirnya polisi-polisi yang lainnya itu kok ikut-ikutan. Akhirnya ya menahan George Floyd itu pakai kaki, ada yang pakai tangan. Terus yang polisi yang udah 17 kali kena komplain kekerasan tadi malah neken lehernya pakai lutut. George Floyd ini udah nggak bisa bernafas ini karena ditekan banyak orang, polisi ngelilingin dia, udah nggak bisa bernafas karena juga ditahan lehernya pakai lutut ya, berat sekali itu kan. Akhirnya disuruh pindah ke mobil, tolong pindah ke mobil sekarang, masuk ke mobil ya. Dia bilang iya nanti saya pindah ya, George Floyd bilang gitu, ya nanti saya pindah ke mobil. Terus pindah ke mobil, saya nggak bisa bernapas gitu kan. Terus ya kamu pindah ke mobil ya, saya nggak bisa ya, gimana mau pindah kan, dia lagi dia ditahan seperti itu, gimana dia mau pindah ke mobil ya. Akhirnya dia bilang saya nggak bisa, apa yang kamu inginkan, saya nggak bisa bernapas. Nah, akhirnya polisi terus nanya kayak gitu sama dia akhirnya sampai manggil ibunya, ibu saya nggak bisa bernapas ini gini. Nah, akhirnya terus ditekan sama polisi, akhirnya sampai dia meninggal karena berapa menit dia nggak bisa bernapas. Lah, di berbagai sudut itu ada yang rekam ya, ada saksi yang rekam ya. Pertama ada saksi yang ngerekam tapi dia nggak berani, akhirnya ngerekam dari kejauhan terus dia pergi. Tapi di lain sudut ada yang rekam saat bersamaan juga ya, ada yang rekam di saat yang bersamaan, akhirnya dirubung sama ibu-ibu sama bapak-bapak juga, dia langsung merekam. Lah, ibu-ibu tuh bilang kamu lepasin dia, kamu tuh terlalu kasar sama dia gitu lah. Polisinya bilang kamu nggak tahu apa-apa lah. Terus akhirnya polisinya malah melawan saksi-saksi itu. Akhirnya saksi-saksi itu bilang Coba kamu lihat, dia nggak bergerak sama sekali bro, dibilangnya seperti itu. Dia udah nggak bergerak sama sekali, tapi polisi itu nggak segera meninggalkan meskipun dia itu udah nggak ada respon sama sekali gitu. Just itu nggak ada respon sama sekali, polisi itu masih tekan dia terus sampai akhirnya mobil ambulan datang ya, karena polisi udah lapor ke ambulan sebelumnya, karena polisi alasannya ini ada darah di mulutnya gitu, udah menghubungin pihak kesehatan ya. Akhirnya ambulan kan dalam perjalanan kan waktu itu kan. Setelah beliau meninggal, mobil ambulan datang ya, mereka pada bingung kenapa udah nggak ada respon sama sekali. Terus dites nadinya juga kosong, nggak ada gerakan sama sekali gitu. Nah, terus truk pemadam kebakaran juga datang setelah itu. Ambulannya langsung pergi karena takutnya nanti ada masalah karena korbannya itu udah nggak bernapas gitu kan. Akhirnya ambulannya bawa korbannya itu langsung dibawa pergi. Nggak begitu lama ambulan datang ke situ. Truk pemadam kebakaran datang ke situ ya. Truk pemadam kebakaran datang ke situ ya, dia cuma tangannya gini aja karena ini pasti akan menimbulkan masalah yang besar gitu ya. Polisinya itu udah stres juga di situ, bolak-balik dia di situ. Nah, tapi benar rupanya kejadian itu ya karena direkam juga ya, CCTV juga di mana-mana, ada saksinya juga, akhirnya diupload di YouTube. Akhirnya berita itu meledak menjadi trending 2 hari yang lalu. Nah, dari 2 hari yang lalu itu, dari kemarin itu demo terjadi di mana-mana di seluruh Amerika ya, termasuk di New York, di Washington DC, kemudian di Texas, di seluruh Amerika terjadi demo yang melawan polisi semuanya. Ya, kemudian kantor polisi di Minneapolis juga diserang sama massa seperti itu. Jadi ini menjadi hal yang trending ya. Jadi masalah besar pas lagi musim corona seperti ini, kok mereka berkumpul seperti itu. Dan korbannya ini bukan orang penting padahal di Amerika, tapi ini menyangkut ras ya kan. Menyangkut ras, seolah-olah kulit putih itu mereka kejam terhadap kulit hitam di Amerika. Padahal rata-rata yang tinggal di Amerika itu kulit hitam. Akhirnya mereka melawan petugas ya, karena nggak berperi kemanusiaan. Karena ada juru bicara mereka bilang ya, kalau bangunan itu ada orang melakukan kesalahan bisa dibangun kembali, tetapi kalau manusia kita melakukan hal yang fatal, melakukan kesalahan, dia nggak bisa dihidupkan lagi. Jadi kesalahan yang fatal ya, seperti itu ya. So that was the problem, Mistiska. That was the problem in the US ya, about the race, the race problem. Race is the skin color, warna kulit between black skin and white skin. Okay, so I will ask to you, Miss Tiska. I will ask to you. So what is your opinion for this case, Miss Tiska, in Minneapolis that was trending on 2 days ago?
I think the police is wrong. It's really wrong because they are penjaga masyarakat apa, Mister?
Penjaga masyarakat.
Harus menjaga masyarakat.
They must protect. The police must protect to the public.
They must protect the citizen. Not see their color skin and whatever.
Yes.
They are must adil apa
I'm sorry.
Adil.
Yes. Must fear adil. Yeah.
Yeah, fear.
Yes. Yeah. Must be fair ya. Fair adil ya. Fair. Tulisannya gimana, Miss Tiska? Fair.
FAIR.
Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja. FAIR ya, fair. Bacanya fair ya. Fair Beda sama fear ya. Fear tulisannya FEAR, itu artinya takut ya. Fear. Ya kalau ini fair ya, fair. Jadi sedikit berbeda, pronunciation-nya sedikit berbeda. Kalau kita salah ngucap artinya jadi beda gitu. Kalau kita bilangnya fair itu artinya takut ya, fair ya. Kalau fair ya artinya adil ya, fair aja ya, fair ya, orang sana bilang fair aja ya. Ya tulisannya fair ya, fair aja artinya adil. Oke. Yes, the police must fair ya, the police must fair to the citizens ya, harus adil ya. Is not only protect to the white skin or the black skin, but they must protect to all the citizens ya, to all the residents ya, penduduk masyarakat ya, residents. Kalau residents itu penduduk ya, masyarakat, tetapi kalau citizen itu penduduk satu negara, Mistiska. Jadi kalau Mistiska bilang I am Indonesian citizens ya, saya warga negara Indonesia ya. I am citizen, I am Indonesian citizen ya, I am Indonesian citizen. The meaning is saya warga negara Indonesia, something like that. Kira-kira paham nggak Mistiska yang saya jelaskan?
Ya, paham.
Yes ya, jadi little bit different ya. Kalau citizen itu penduduk tapi untuk warga negara. Kalau residents itu penduduk yang berarti masyarakat.
Oke.
Ya, makanya ada perumahan kan namanya residence gitu kan. Belakangnya ada kata residence gitu kan. Ya, residence artinya penduduk, perumahan penduduk gitu kan. Residence, something like that. So yes, this problem and this happened. Yeah, this case actually make many problem in the America. In entire America, seluruh Amerika getting problem from this happen, dari kejadian ini until now in the middle of the pandemic cases ya, di tengah-tengah kasus pandemic. So this is really making trouble, membuat masalah, making troubles to many people in the US. Actually the police when they do something wrong, when they do like that, so will have many reactions from many people. So the police must protect to the residents, must protect to all the residents or all the citizenship in the country. That was good, Mistiska. That was your opinion. So your opinion was that the police must protect to the citizen, right? Must fair to the citizen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Without see their color, skin.
Yes. Good. Without see their skin color, or without make difference the skin color.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so I will report that your opinion. So I will ask to other participants in today learning because they also didn't understand before about this. Yeah, maybe Miss Tiska also didn't understand about this news, right? You haven't seen this news before. You haven't known this news before, right, Miss Tiska?
Yeah.
Yes, you haven't seen, right? Anda belum lihat this news
I see in Twitter, but
I saw in Twitter. I saw.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw in Twitter research.
Okay, but unclearly yet, belum jelas. But you didn't understand. Okay. Yeah. Actually, the news like that, Miss Tiska. Actually, I haven't. I hadn't understood before. Ya, saya belum paham sebelumnya. Yesterday I didn't know about this news also. Yesterday I didn't know about this news as well. Kemarin saya juga belum tahu berita ini. But when I saw in the website, in Helena English website, I saw on that case. I saw about this case and this problem. Because everything already prepared in the website. Jadi the lesson in this online learning, everything prepared in the website, Miss Tiska. Semuanya disiapkan di website automatically ya, karena ada petugas yang menyiapkan bahan ajar itu semua di website. Nah, jadi ketika saya lihat malam ya di website tadi malam, when I saw last night ya di website Halena, itu sudah ada berita update ya, trending topik apa semua itu ada di website gitu, Miss Tiska. Ya, jadi kalau Miss Tiska mau belajar bahasa Inggris bisa dilihat di website Halena itu yang dari berita. Nanti ada berita update di situ. Ya, saya pun kadang ngecek di situ kan, karena besok materinya apa itu udah otomatis ada di website gitu. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so I saw from the website as well. Saya tahu juga dari website. Okay, this news actually has become trending topic, telah menjadi trending topic, and this is actually the big problem in America. Okay, so thank you, Ms. Tiska, for joining today learning. So we will continue
You're
again
welcome, Mr.
tomorrow. So do you have any questions about something in English or about the materials for today, Ms. Tiska?
I don't have question, Mr.
You don't have any questions. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow you can join again, Ms. Tiska. You can join in our class. And actually, we will. We have the participants from Surabaya also, and she is 23 years old. Yeah, 23 years old. Yes, and she was graduates from the university, and her major was human development. So human development about human development, SRD, ya, HRD, ya, human development, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we will find the class tomorrow maybe, or we will find many people around the world also from many countries actually tomorrow. Yeah, we will find many people from many countries. For today, Miss Diska already spoken with some people from abroad, from Afghanistan and from India. Is that correct, Miss Diska? From Afghanistan?
Yeah, correct, Mr.
From India. Okay. Okay, so thank you, Miss Diska. See you back again tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Mr.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.